Students, I would like to discuss about solubility product in this video, and I also want to present some numericals related to solubility product. First, let us look at definition of solubility product. The product of molar concentrations of ions in given electrolyte is known as solubility product KSP. Got it? The product of molar concentrations of ions in given electrolyte is known as solubility product. Electrolyte means salt only. So any substance which gives or which split into ions is called as electrolyte. Okay? Yes. So here instead of molar concentrations we can also take molar solubility. Molar solubility. Sometimes they give molar concentrations, in other times they give molar solubilities. Okay, so that is a simple definition of solubility product. Okay, so let us take barium sulfate. Barium sulfate will split into barium plus 2 and sulfate 2 minus. Okay, so now KSP, how you will write? KSP means solubility product. KSP equal to molar concentration of barium plus 2 and molar concentration of sulfate ion. Here bracket represents molar concentration. Molar concentration means generally we will take it in terms of moles per liter. Molar concentration means we will take moles per liter. Suppose if you want to write KSP in terms of solubility, here solubility of barium plus 2 is S. Here the solubility of barium sulfate is S. S into S, S square. Here S is molar solubility. Here bracket represents molar concentration. Here S represents molar solubility. That means we can write solubility product either in terms of molar concentrations or molar solubilities. Molar solubilities. Got it? Yeah. So let us see one problem related to KSP. So if molar concentration of barium plus 2 is 10 power minus 2 moles per liter and sulfate minus 2 is 10 power minus 4 moles per liter. What is KSP? Very simple, right? So KSP equal to barium plus 2 concentration, sulfate conversion. Both concentrations are given. Just we have to substitute, then we will get 10 power minus 6 moles per liter power square. Very, very easy question. So they have given that question in 2017 NEET. So let us go for question number 2. Let us look at the question number 2. The solubility of barium sulfate in water is given this. They have given solubility as 2.42 into 10 power minus 3 grams per liter at 298 Kelvin. The value of its solubility product is what? So they have given solubility. They have given solubility as, by using that we have to calculate KSP value. By using solubility value we have to calculate KSP value. So again, for barium sulfate KSP equal to S square. S is the molar solubility. But molar solubility means what? Moles per liter. That means moles per liter. But they have given solubility here grams per liter. In order to convert the grams into moles, just we have to divide with molecular weight of barium sulfate, because barium sulfate salt is given here. Okay. So now the solubility, molar solubility S equal to 2.42 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 233. 233 is the molecular weight of barium sulfate. Then grams per liter becomes moles per liter. Okay, this is now molar solubility. In order to calculate molar KSP, we need molar solubility or molar concentrations. So anyway, S is here, molar solubility. Now we can calculate KSP. KSP equal to S square. S is here. So substitute there. Then we will get 1.08 into 10 power minus 10. Very simple. Very simple. Yes. So let us see one more question. Write solubility product for silver chromate Ag2CrO4. Okay. So silver chromate will split into 2 Ag plus plus CrO4 2 minus. In terms of concentrations we can write like this: Ag plus power 2. Since we have 2 moles here, no, power will have 2 here. Since it is now only one ion, only single 1 mole, CrO4 2 minus concentration. Okay, now this is in terms of molar concentration. Now we have to convert that into molar solubilities. So in the power you have 2, right? So that's why when you write in terms of solubilities, molar solubilities, inside also you have to put 2s. Power is, we have power 2, and inside also you must put 2s. Here power 1 only, therefore you have to keep only 1s. Then here it becomes 4, and this becomes cube, 4s cube. Understood? So this is how we will write KSP equation for silver chromate. So now let us see one more problem based on KSP. See, they have given KSP given as 10 power minus 4 moles per liter. What is solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molar silver nitrate? Silver nitrate. Okay. What is the solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molar of silver nitrate? So silver chloride will split into Ag plus and Cl minus. We have to find out solubility of this one, silver chloride. Okay, this will split like this. So when you write KSP equal to molar concentration of silver plus ion and Cl minus ion. But see, that salt is taken in 0.1 molar silver nitrate solution. That means silver concentration is more. In silver chloride you have silver plus ion, and in silver nitrate also you have silver plus ion. Okay, now what is the concentration of silver here? 0.1 molar. 0.1 molar. Okay, yeah, that is the thing. So now silver plus ion concentration is more than Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion. Now here the solubility of silver plus is S. Since we have extra silver, how much we have extra? 0.1. Add here. And what is the molar solubility of silver? Cl minus S. Okay. So we are taking here concentration as solubility. If the solution is saturated solution, solubility can be taken as concentration. Okay. I am adding 0.1 term to S, solubility. So if it is saturated solution, I am assuming that this is a saturated solution. Since it is a saturated solution, I am adding that 0.1 to the S. So for saturation solution, solubility is equal to concentration. So this can be taken as concentration as well as solubility. Now add here S plus 0.1 for Cl minus S. Okay. If S is far less than 0.1, S can be taken as 0, and this S make it 0, and you will get 0.1 into S. Then finally solubility of the silver chloride is 10 power minus 3 moles per liter. That is the thing. Let us go for one more question, which is given like this. In saturated silver iodide solution, what is the concentration of silver iodide if KSP is 0.01 moles per liter square per square? Okay, see, one statement is given. In saturated solution, AgI solution, what is concentration of silver iodide if KSP is 0.01 moles per liter square? So silver iodide will split into silver plus and I minus. Again for silver iodide, KSP will be S square. What they have given? They have given KSP equal to 10 power minus 2. Okay, and they're asking us concentration of silver iodide. Just to calculate S value will get 10 power minus 1 moles per liter. But this solubility also can be taken as concentration because the solution is saturated. For saturated solution, concentration and solubility will be same. Okay, so same thing here also. In this problem also we have to assume that solution is saturated solution. The saturated solution of silver chloride is added in 0.1 molar of silver nitrate. These are the questions have come in previous years. So you can practice based on this, you will get good marks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. So press the like button. Thank you very much.